Today is 11th of July at 12:45 in the afternoon. So the new two baby birds came out from the nest. The new baby of Feliz and Ota. This the new baby. The two baby came out now from the nest. Wow, so cute. I have now 25 birds from two little birds, Feliz and Ota. This is the mother, Feliz and Ota, the mother and the father. And now I have 25 little baby birds. The other is here. They are the baby from Feliz and Ota. And another here. They also have baby from Feliz and Ota. And now they are giving another baby. They have 3 little eggs new, and the other side also have a little 3 eggs. Now we're having another new baby birds. So I'm so happy. They're giving me a lot of baby. You know, they are so cute. That is the mother, Feliz and Ota.